In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to calibrate the DPI705E portable pressure indicator using a PACE 5000-6000 pressure controller and Foresight 2 calibration management software. By using an automated drug calibration setup, you can cut down on calibration and shipping costs, as well as reducing turnaround times. To begin, we need to set up for calibration. Connect the pressure source to the positive port, connect the output pressure from the PACE to the pressure port of the DPI705E. Connect the PACE to the PC using the USB B to A cable, and then connect the DPI705E to the PC. Next, we need to create the asset in Foresight 2. Log into Foresight 2, then create a DPI705E as an asset. Ensure the make, model and serial number of the device are correctly entered and match the unit. Allocate DPI705E to the real-time calibration workflow. Make the equipment selection as on the setup page. Click Start. Foresight 2 drives PACE to control to every set point in the calibration procedure, one after another, and automatically captures the readings from the DPI705E, making the process fully automatic. You can configure the number of cycles up to 5, dwell time between each point, and also capture multiple readings at each point and average the value to achieve accredited lab quality calibration in-house for a fraction of the cost. Using this method, we can achieve zero turnaround time as you will be calibrating in-house, giving you full control of your assets, downtimes, and calibration process. This process is the same workflow for calibrating a PM620, a DPI610E, DPI611, and PACE models such as CM0, CM1, or CM2. At the end of the calibration, we can generate the calibration report. Thank you for watching. To find out more, please visit our website.